Welcome to Ms. Nepi. Today, we will write one clear descriptive paragraph step by step. Our topic is, my favorite beach. Step 1. Choose one clear topic. Our topic is my favorite beach. A clear topic helps your writing stay focused from beginning to end. Step 2. Plan with the 5 senses. Ask, what can I see, hear, smell, touch, and feel? These answers become your descriptive details. Detail 1 is a sight detail. I can see blue waves, white sand, tall coconut trees, and children playing near the shore. Detail 2 is a sound detail. I can hear the waves crashing softly, birds calling above the trees, and people laughing happily. Detail 3 uses smell and touch. I can smell the salty air. I can feel the warm sun on my skin and the soft sand under my feet. Step 3. Add strong adjectives. Use words like peaceful, bright, warm, soft, salty, fresh, beautiful, relaxing, and unforgettable. Step 4. Write the topic sentence. Example, my favorite beach is a peaceful and beautiful place where I feel happy and relaxed. Step 5. Add supporting details. Use your sensory details to explain the topic and help the reader imagine the place clearly. Step 6. Write the closing sentence. Example, that is why the beach will always be one of my favorite places. Now, let us read the full descriptive paragraph. My favorite beach is a peaceful and beautiful place where I feel happy and relaxed. I can see blue waves, white sand, and tall coconut trees moving gently in the wind. I can hear the waves crashing softly and the birds calling above the trees. I can smell the salty air and feel the warm sun on my skin. The soft sand feels nice under my feet as I walk near the shore. I love this place because it helps me feel calm and thankful. That is why the beach will always be one of my favorite places. Now, let us label the parts of the paragraph. Check. Topic sentence. My favorite beach is a peaceful and beautiful place where I feel happy and relaxed. This names the topic and gives the main feeling. Check. Sight detail. I can see blue waves, white sand, and tall coconut trees. This helps the reader picture the beach. Check. Sound detail. I can hear the waves crashing softly and the birds calling. This helps the reader hear the scene. Check. Smell and touch details. Salty air, warm sun, and soft sand use senses to make the writing more vivid. Check. Feeling sentence. I love this place because it helps me feel calm and thankful. This shows the writer's personal connection. Check. Closing sentence. That is why the beach will always be one of my favorite places. This gives the paragraph a clear ending. Final summary checklist. Check 1. Choose one clear topic. Check 2. Plan with the 5 senses. Check 3. Add strong adjectives. Check 4. Write a topic sentence. Check 5. Add supporting details. Check 6. Add a feeling sentence. Check 7. End with a closing sentence. Now it is your turn. Write 5 to 7 sentences about your favorite food, pet, place, or toy. Follow the checklist and label your parts. Remember, a descriptive essay paints a picture with words. Clear details make your reader imagine your topic. Follow Ms. Nepi for more writing lessons.